Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great and welcome to this new video. And we're not going to be talking about XRP, which is the coin you just saw. No, we'll talk about Onyxcoin again. All right, I covered this coin on Friday. Friday, I said I think XCN can actually pump. Overnight, we did have a pump, but ultimately, I mean, what I said, I said it on Friday, right? So the chart is a little bit messy. I'll explain that in a moment. The chart is a bit messy, but I said it on Friday, right? So Friday we actually had some bullish momentum. I think from when I said it in the morning, the price went up like 3%. So that's nothing. That's definitely not the pump I was talking about. But I also said maybe we will still make one more low into this main support level at 1.8 cents. Before getting some sort of a pump. Now, to be completely honest with you, I try to be honest in all of my videos. I did not expect that we would drop down this low. I thought it was more likely that we would get support from 1.8 and 1.85 cents. Now, personally, I did hold my buys, all right, because I told you on Friday I bought, and we were still holding this level right here at 1.75 cents, which is a bit of a psychological support level. And from there, finally, we actually got some bullish momentum overnight. We had a pretty big move. Already started yesterday evening, and then we got the bigger one overnight while I was asleep. Otherwise, I would have definitely closed because we went up 23%, which is a nice gain. From my buys, it was up 15% as well, so that was nice. But the big question is, and most of you that have watched my videos and have followed my videos know that the main question right now is, well, was this just a short squeeze? Because it was definitely a short squeeze as well. Or can we actually start some sort of a sustained new bullish rally? And that is always difficult. And I do have an idea on that. Of course, I did my analysis. If we look at XCN right now, if we look at the volume is still increasing. It's no longer increasing as much as it did overnight, but the volume is still increasing, so that's a good thing. And by the way, for those of you who did not watch my previous videos, well, welcome to the channel. But no, one of the reasons I thought we could still rally is that they're launching their Goliath mainnet the 3rd of March, right? Or at least they posted it for the 3rd of March some time ago. Right now I cannot see it anymore, so maybe it has been postponed a little bit. No, here it is, 3rd of March. So that's why fundamentally we can expect some bullish momentum. For now, like I said, the main confirmation we need to get, I mean, all of these lines you see on the chart are basically small liquidity zones, all right? So what you can see is that we failed to break above this liquidity zone right here between 2 cents and 1.93 cents. But what you can see is that we have been able to break above this level right here. So that means that the price right now has formed this bottom, has gotten a bullish breakout, and now has this resistance it needs to break above. So it's basically in this area right here. And the main thing I'm personally waiting for is, all right, well, can we actually get that bullish breakout? And that's a hard question to answer right now. Because of the volume going up right here, and because of the open interest still being relatively high as well. Open interest is something we'll have to keep an eye on, right? Because if the open interest starts to decrease like this, and it keeps decreasing like that, it's over. And this was a short squeeze and will drop back down to the previous lows. So you should be aware of that. But for now, as long as we're holding this level right here at 1.87 cents, so 0.0187, I think we are still bullish. And I think with the volume we have, we can still get this breakout here above 2 cents to rally into that next level at 2.2 and 2.3 cents at least. But yeah, it's a risky thing. I would still say this is most likely, but you have to keep an eye on the open interest. You have to keep an eye on the volume. If those continue decreasing, or at least if the volume starts to decrease and the open interest keeps decreasing like it's doing right here, then this is no longer going to happen, all right? And then we'll stabilize and slowly drop back down. So keep your eyes on that if you want to trade this. It's in general difficult to trade, but given the circumstances and given everything I'm seeing right now, I still do think it's most likely we'll get that move up. But those are my thoughts, all right? You have to do with that what you want. That's it, at least for now. So have a great Sunday. I'll keep you updated on this. Take care and bye.